The double-cut digital I/O card is designed to work with our SC3 capable MCB11 controller board and our SC4 capable controller board assembly, which is a combination of the MCB11 and the MCB12. It meets the requirements of EN50155. This card has 8 channels with channel-to-channel galvanic isolation. Each channel can be used as an input or a double-cut output, that is switching the high side and the low side of a load. It supports 24 to 110 volts DC. It can be used as a PWM or a pulse counter. You need a new safety product for your market. We are here to deliver it with you.